At AeroCorp, we believe in elevating your future. We are a leading provider of specialized training in aerospace, aeronautical, and mechanical engineering. Our programs are designed to bridge the gap between industry and theory, equipping students with hands-on experience and real-world expertise. Our mission is to deliver high-quality practical training that prepare graduates for top-tier aerospace career. Our vision is to be a powerhouse of talent transformation, turning graduates into industry-ready professionals through innovation, precision, and excellence. We offer tailored programs in design and analysis, quality control and quality assurance, technical publication, process and manufacturing. Each course is designed by experienced industry professionals and follow international aerospace standards. We offer industry-oriented curriculum for our students, customized training modules, advanced infrastructure, hands-on experience, expert mentorship, guest lecture from top aerospace professionals, industry-recognized certifications, placement assistance. Strong industry partnership, we ensure that our students connect with leading aerospace firms and get exposure to cutting-edge technology and standards. At AeroCorp, we don't just train engineers, we shape the future of aerospace.